Professionals come to Mumbai to earn a fortune, but he had come to pursue his passion and serve humanity. His journey began when he dreamt of moving and setting up his clinic in a metropolitan city's heart, Powai. It wasn't easy for someone hailing from a small town, but he had firm determination, perseverance, and talent. What it took to be successful. He aspired to come to Mumbai alone without any contacts, support, or connections, but his hard work and capabilities, which helped him settle here with the existing crowd of Mumbai. He shifted to Mumbai in 2007 to join his post graduation MDS in endodontistry from DY Patil College. He was always a fun loving guy with great presence of mind, who also enjoyed his learning. He was most admired by his friends and colleagues. Let's take a look at what his friends have to say.
Hi Nishant is a great human being, a wonderful friend, and of course we have done our post-graduation together. So we've spent a good 3 years together, and having him alongside as a co-PG is the best thing which has happened to all of us. He is full of life. As a clinician, if I have to talk about Nishant, I know that his work is par excellence, and he's extremely hardworking also.
I remember spending 3 years of our post graduation life, having a lot of fun and joking around as typical bachelors, and we had a great time. I've always known Nishant as a very committed dentist, an endodontist, and a fantastic clinician.
After finishing college, he began his services as a lecturer at MGM College and started consulting in more than 35 clinics in Maharashtra, traveling hundreds of kilometers in a day just to render his services as much as possible. Eventually, he planned to open his private clinic in Powai, which he took on rent while he was shuffling between his lectures, consultancy, and clinic visits, giving his best in all. Let's hear it from the doctors who know about his hard-working phase.
We have worked as colleagues as well in MGM Dental College. When it comes to work, a workaholic with good work ethics.
I have known your journey. When you started, you used to go to MGM Hospital, come back and then visit many dentists to consult. But I have not seen you once complaining being tired. You could achieve the success because you are devoted and dedicated professional. Being outside in a city like Mumbai and still managing 2 clinics is a commendable.
I remember the days when we were the lecturer at MGM Dental College, Navi Mumbai, and I used to come to my clinic for endo consultation.
Used to come all the way from Mumbai, a distance of almost 300 kilometers. Believe me, a very hard-working guy with superb endodontic skills. He used to reach Satara by 4 a.m. in the morning. He used to start his work at 9 p.m. till 6 o'clock he used to go. We used to line up as many as 25 patients for him in a day.
In the middle of all this, in 2012, he got married to a supportive life partner who held his hand strongly throughout. Dr. Nishant wanted to serve people for a long term at a reasonable cost, for which he wanted his own clinic. But arranging the funds was a challenge for him. Eventually, he got bank loans approved for his clinic. He had the courage to take that risk and set up his reputation as an endodontist surgeon in Mumbai. He didn't let his dreams fade away in the storm of his struggles and thus successfully managed to set up his first clinic. He is someone who continuously tries to upgrade and develop his clinic with advanced technology, keeping in mind his patients' well-being. He equipped advanced X-ray machine with 0.01 fraction radiation exposure, class sterilization, automated RCT machine, microendoscope. This is even recognized by doctors and patients.
Best part about you is you are always abreast with the latest technologies and development, and always make sure to incorporate that into your daily.
You use the latest technology and very high hygiene standards, and we are all quite happy with your service.
He used to put all his heart and soul in his work. He used to update himself very nicely in his skills and his knowledge. He was like employing yesterday's technique, you won't be in business tomorrow. So you used to update every now and then regarding his endodontist skills, the latest innovations in endodontic dentistry.
Even with all his success, Dr. Gandhi is a simple and humble man. He believes in extending the knowledge and skills to his fellow co-workers. He never thought of solitude success. He wants everyone to alleviate each other. So his unprejudiced nature of work got his associates and juniors prosper in their career as well as their esteemed recognition for him. The patients he treated in the span of a decade, they call him trustworthy. They have been biding since 2010 and they still don't want to change their endodontist. His mannerism towards every other individual, his fascinating features makes him the doc of the town. These qualities are appreciated by doctors too. Let's watch what his subordinates and colleagues have to say on this.
I was looking for a clinical practice place in Powai and Roshan sir had given me your reference. When I started working with you, I had no knowledge about how to maintain a clinical practice or run a clinical practice. But you showed that confidence in me and helped me through it. At the same time, you also nurtured and nourished my clinical management skills with patience. You pointed out my mistakes and let me correct it. You also praised me when I did a good work. That is what I inculcate in myself when I teach my fellow colleagues and my students.
Nature-wise, very humble, polite, very cool. He's like, give respect and take respect.
I love the way you work and do your cases, and the success of each case made me believe more and more in you. That you are visiting my clinic since last 11 years. Since that day, I never thought of calling any other endodontist to my clinic. The good thing about you is you are always on time.
Really happy to have a great mentor like him, and it's been almost 8 years since I know him, and I wish to continue this bond.
He's really soft spoken and very calm and a composed human being. I have never seen him lose his cool in spite of being in very difficult situation at times during tough cases.
You are always calm and composed in whatever situations I have known you in. In dentistry, we come across situations where you get a little bit stressed out, but I'm yet to see that. And that's the best quality you have, and keep that quality intact with you.
When you love your profession, it shines brightly. The art of perfection in his root canal treatment is commendable. And if you know him, this is something you agree on blindly. Let's hear it from his fellow colleagues, seniors, and patients.
Hey Nishant, you're one of the best endodontists I have known. You've been coming to my practice since last 7-8 years, and your work is phenomenal. Your root canals are too good, and I'd love to have you in future also.
I came to know you through Dr. Imran, and since that day you have come across as a thorough, passionate profession with exemplary knowledge, always prioritizing the patient's need before anything else, and always striving to give them the best possible treatment under your roof.
Sometimes when there are old patients who comes up and we see their x-rays or their case paper, and when we found the sign there, Dr. Nishant, and the patient and we both immediately recollects you. And we recollect you in two regards. One was, of course, a very good treatment that you had given to our patients. And secondly, as a human being, you are a very, very fantastic person.
I love the way you work and do your cases, and the success of each case made me believe more and more in you.
Great concern for a patient. He gets things right and renders the best possible treatment for the patients.
When it comes to profession, Dr. Nishant is one of the finest endodontists I have come across, and especially one of the best hand when it comes to a single sitting root canal. All his patients really appreciate him, especially for his quick and painless root canal treatment.
I have never seen MDS who is so excellent in his work. Speed with accuracy is what I like most about Dr. Gandhi.
He does all types of cases, and he does them really quickly. He has got great dexterity and finesse in his hands, and completes all types of complicated cases real quickly. Make sure the patient is really comfortable during the entire procedure.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें तुझसे सीखी है. You are the great man. I salute you. Many
As he belongs from a Jain community, social service was always a part of his life. When the world was hit by a pandemic, he opened a couple of clinics to provide treatment for the underprivileged in their area. He also came forward and performed his duty by donating disinfectants to various societies.
I don't want to miss the golden opportunity to introduce multifaceted personality of my son on the occasion of his birthday. I am very much proud of him. Initially, you may be listened to surprise that he refused the admission for MBBS and he wants to become a dentist. So we took admission at Sangli where he has completed his BDS. After BDS, restless young, carving for knowledge, young doctor wants to become MDS. So he completed his MDS in Bombay. Then question arises, what after MDS? I advise him to practice in Akluj. With my 30 years established practice, my support, my local connection might have been help him a lot. He don't have to wait for patient from day one. But he decided to practice in Bombay, a historical decision, and he started his practice at Powai.
He has accomplished his dreams. His happy patients' smiles, their genuine heartfelt gratitude says it all, which motivates him further for his upcoming project, a grand clinic in the heart of Powai, which is under construction. Having all prayers and wishes from his vast family of patients, he will continue to perform his duties and love his profession throughout. So on his 40th birthday, here's a short token of appreciation by his lovely patients.
The way he combines the science of medicine, dentistry, and also with the art and the psychology, it makes him a very special doctor. And that's probably the reason that I and my family, if we can wait, although we live in Dubai and we belong to Delhi, but yet because of the relations that we had as our doctor a few years back, we continue to come to him and find out the excuse to go to Mumbai and get ourselves treated. So it's such a great feeling that you have a doctor on whom you can trust for all your dental needs, and he also guides you more than he treats you.
In my mind, there are two things that make for an outstanding doctor. One is obviously the clinical skills, which you obviously have ample reserves of, but so do so many other good doctors, right? They're all clinically quite good. I think what really makes you stand out is your soft skills, the way you interface with your clients, your phenomenal demeanor, the way you actually develop a friendship or a relationship with some of your clients beyond what your profession demands. And I think, that is, something that truly makes you stand out in my eyes. Besides obviously being a very good doctor, it's this ability to actually develop a one-on-one connect with your clients that truly makes you stand out. And I believe it's one of those skills that is going to, make you very successful.
Year-old heart patient having 20% injection fraction. I got pain in my tooth. My BDS doctor and few other doctors in Bombay refused me to do it, the treatment. Then they suggested me endodontist doctor. I have searched all over the Bombay and I got treated by Dr. Nishant Gandhi. Believe me, it was a miracle. Even without local injection, in a short span of a time, without blood dropping and any pain, he has treated me nicely. This completed 3 years. Today I'm okay.
Do you know what can be a good gift from a patient to a dentist? If the patient is not scared of visiting the dentist, and if the patient doesn't want to change the dentist ever again, that is a good gift.
Doctor whose name comes to my mind when somebody has a tooth problem is none other than Nishant. I've lost count of the number of people I've recommended his name to. He is one doctor who is available 24/7, and he attends to his patients with good care.
You are really awesome person. Cool guy, always helpful for everyone and any moment, anywhere.
Whenever you go to the dentist, your biggest fear is of the drill and that high-speed jet which makes a horrible sound. But he's so understanding and he puts you at ease, so you know you're in safe hands and you're not going to be in any pain. I would highly recommend him for anyone who needs any dental procedure.
I just want to thank you for helping me with my treatment and making my time at the clinic very comfortable. I really appreciate your professional approach.
Nishant is a very efficient and a very good endodontist doctor from Powai. The best endodontist I have ever met. He's very professional and naturally loving personality. My personal experience was very good with him. He is very supportive and thoroughly explains the procedure before doing it. So I'm completely relaxed during the procedure. I recommend him to my family and my friends.
Made my fear go away. No, you not only treated my pain but also gave me confidence to come to you anytime for a little bit of pain. Even my son from Dubai always comes to you when he has some teeth problem. So thank you very much for that.
You and your team have treated us very well with all the immense satisfaction. Chandni and you have been doing very good social service also. Wishing you all the best for years to come.
Wonderful treatment you have given us, a root canal and the crown that we have done from you, and the pain you have relieved us from.
Just a true gentleman and a true doctor. Did my teeth implantment without giving any pain to me, and you were there throughout the treatment like a true family member. But I didn't come to know when my teeth implantment treatment was done completely.
फुल माउथ केस था, बट मैंने आपको बोला कि डॉक्टर निशांत 15 डेज में हो सकता है, तो आपने बोला हो जाएगा, और इतना अच्छा मुझे जरा भी पेन नहीं हुआ, और वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम आपने एकदम बेटर मेरा स्माइल डिज़ाइन किया. फुल माउथ केस होने पर भी आपने शॉर्ट टाइम में इतना बेटर मेरा वर्क किया है.
A great personality, very calm, very patient, very good at his work. And I know many of my friends who have been always going to him as patients and then becoming his friends because of his personality. He has a wonderful hand at his work, and I think so all of us definitely feel very secured when he is performing any treatment on us.
You are very caring doctor. Your hand is so soft, and whenever I sit on your dentist chair, I have no fear.
Yeah, and you actually eased the whole process. We had a very good conversation on how the whole process was going to work and what was needed, and you put me at ease that it might be painful, but we will take care that it will be less painful of a journey for me.
आप बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर और इंसान हैं. आप अपने पेशेंट का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हैं. आपने मेरा इलाज बहुत अच्छे से किया. मुझे जब भी आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत पड़ी, आपने मेरी मदद की. धन्यवाद.
I would like to say you that you are one of the best doctors, dentists I have ever met, because you have been so patient with me. You have always seen that while you are treating me, I am comfortable and don't have pain while you are giving me injections and all. Thank you so much, doctor.
Nishant, we all are your patients, and trust me, you are one amazing doctor. You have cured all of us amazingly, beautifully.
Hey, Dr. Nishant Gandhi. I'm traveling now. My wishes are straight from Lavasa,
coming to you, and these wishes are not only from my side but also from my entire family, and especially my mother, for whom you are no less than a very kind and a sweet son who always cares for her so much. I remember how you came to visit her place when she could not walk and come to your clinic. So this was a really very kind gesture from your side, and we will always be very grateful to you for everything you do for us and for the entire society, of course. You are a great personality.
Dr. Gandhi, give services to the society as you have been doing very generously and dedicatedly.
I must say, you are one of the finest doctor I have met so far. You are so humble, so polite, and so well spoken, and you treat your patients with utmost care. You are all credit to your profession, and we are so proud of you. Thank you very much.
And a superb dentist who does his work so perfectly and so clean. I still remembers all my time when I used to come to your clinic and get my dentist work done, and with having so much dental problem, you have solved it, and I wish that whenever I have any problem related to my dental, I would come to you.
से मेरा ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा था, रूट कनाल किया, बिल्कुल पेन नहीं हुआ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू डॉक्टर.
He's a really nice and a kind and a very compassionate doctor, and his diagnosis is always correct for whatever he says, and whenever I'm in pain, my pain goes away. It's just like a miracle.
डॉक्टर मिस्टर निशांत गांधी, डॉक्टर साहब का एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा उनके साथ कि जब भी मुझे दांतों की बहुत समस्या होती है, बिकॉज आई टेक रजनीगंधा एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, तो इनके पास जाता हूँ तो तुरंत इतना हालत ख़राब होता है, लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब उसको 1 घंटे में ठीक कर देते हैं, चाहे वो रूट कैनाल हो, चाहे क्लीनिंग हो, कुछ भी हो.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a happy many returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Wish you all the very best for your birthday and the years to come.
I wish him a very, very happy birthday.
This is wishing Dr. Gandhi a very happy birthday.
I wish Dr. Nishant a very happy birthday and have a fantastic year ahead.
Happy birthday, and enjoy your day.
Many happy returns of the day.
Very, very happy birthday, a great day and great year ahead.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Dr. Nishant.
Happy birthday, Dr. Nishan.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Dr. Nishan.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Dr. Nishan. Happy birthday, Dr. Nishan. आप बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर और इंसान हैं.
Happy birthday to you.
A very happy birthday from me and my family.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Dr. Nishant Gandhi.
I wish him a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Stay healthy, stay happy.
Hi Nishant, wish you a very happy birthday.
Dr. Gandhi, wishing you a very happy birthday.